Flood Alert System, FAS, is an invention that implements the power of Node MCU microcontroller, long-range radio, LoRa, communication, and advanced sensors to create a cost-effective and efficient solution not only to overcome existing challenges but also anticipates a positive impact on early flood detection. The utilization of wind, temperature, rain, and ultrasonic sensor paired with an ESP32 microcontroller for monitoring system including flood level measurements and weather conditions. The weather station is a crucial component of the Flood Alert System, FAS, responsible for monitoring various environmental parameters beyond flood levels support by LoRa communication that enables the weather station to transmit data over long distances. The warning system is to provide an early warning to residents and communities in flood-prone areas. The loud sirens serve as an immediate and attention-grabbing signal for residents to take emergency action. The warning system will coordinate with the notification system to ensure that alerts are delivered through multiple channels, such as sirens for immediate action and digital notifications through Telegram messages. In the context of a flood alert system, real-time data information will be gathered and processed from sensors immediately as it is generated. By having a real-time data and warning system, the flood alert system enhances its effectiveness in providing accurate and timely information to both the monitoring authorities and the people at risk, enabling a proactive response to potential flood events.
Thanks for watching. Kelestarian Inovasi, Teras Kemajuan TV Madani.